Oh, holy crap, it's cold. Oh, Merry Christmas, YouTube. Hope everyone's having a good holiday season so far. The cold front kicked in last night. I didn't get a chance to get out and record last night, and now I'm bundled up to suffer through this. So can't say I'm not dedicated to the channel, because it's about 30 degrees, wind chill's kicking at about 22, and that doesn't factor in me being in exposed elements riding a motorcycle today. But that's okay, I love it. It's a ride. What can I say? Any day you can ride is a good day. I'm all layered up today, a little bit more so than I was in the last video, because woo, it's colder today than it was then, by about 20 degrees even. So I got an extra layer of sweatpants on and an extra layer up top and a heavier jacket on today. So we'll see how that ends up working out for me. So I'll keep this video pretty short and sweet today. Just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone who stops by the channel here today. Thought I would just kind of go over a little bit of what my family does. I know it doesn't really pertain much to a motorcycle topic, but you know, let's get to know me anyway. So let's roll that intro and let's get to it. Let's do it. So I've gotten already a few stares from people coming the other way, like, what is this nut job doing out here today on a motorcycle in the low 30s? Well, they might have me right saying that I'm a nut job, but not because I'm riding. I'm riding because I haven't rode in 10 days. You get that withdrawal itch. You don't care what it's like outside. Give it to me.
Okay, kid. Give it to me.
The only way I was staying inside today was if it was snowing, and luckily that's tomorrow. That's not even yet today. So hopefully we can get a few miles in here. We're going on a little journey. So as far as what I do for my immediate family right now is just myself, my wife, and my boy Doug. And my wife and I, we don't do much for each other. I mean, money's kind of tight as is, and I think we'd both rather spend the money on our kid anyway. And he's only 2.5, so he doesn't really need a lot.
Shut your mouth.
I'm sorry? What did
You're
you
just
just
coming
say?
off stupid.
But we decided to go ahead and get him a balance bike, and we went with the Strider version. And the reason we went this route was you won't be able to use it too much outdoors, obviously, because it's 25, 30 degrees out. But we can pull the cars out of the garage and turn on the space heater, and he can roll around in there if he wants to. He's really interested in our motorcycles and bikes in general, so we thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and get him going and trying to learn that balance aspect of the motorcycle. Because for his 3rd birthday, we want to get him one of those little miniature electric balance bikes that Harley Davidson's putting out. They look so adorable with little kids riding with their big old giant helmets on there. That might be a pipe dream, but that's the reason we decided to get the the balance bike now anyway, to see if, make sure he even likes it. So that's really taking care of my immediate family. Now, when we go to extended family, we'll start on my wife's side. Today is Christmas Day, as of this being seen. It's actually about a week and a half prior on filming, but essentially tonight, Christmas night, we would be going over to her brother and sister-in-law's house. And what I like about this setup is they don't do a big turkey, ham, sides dinner.
Look at that.
They keep it simple, and you bring in a soup that you all like, and you share. So we end up having about 3 or 4 different soups, maybe some breads, you know, nothing too major, and that's it.
Very good, very good. You know something? No soup for you! Come back 1 year! Next!
We'll, of course, have more presents for the little ones, for my 2 nieces on that side, and then I think we also are doing a Secret Santa, so I want to buy really 1 gift for an adult this year, and I like that a lot. That means more money for me. Just kidding. Oh, I'm getting that whistle again, aren't I? There we go. Let's see if that fixes it. So yeah, so it's pretty low key on that side of the family. You know, it's really good. I wish we could get over there more often to see them, but trying to line up 4 full-time working adult schedules with kids, it's kind of hard sometimes. But we do enjoy ourselves every time we are able to get over there. Now my side of the family, we see my side of the family quite a bit more often. We have Chiefs football on Sundays. So it is a little, you know, it is a blessing to have them so close to me. They're about 7 miles. I think I've taken you on a ride over there once. And it's even more low-key because we don't have to buy a gift for anybody. We will buy something probably for all 3 of my nephews. Just a little something, and you know, nothing to really write too much home about. I mean, to me, Christmas isn't about getting things or giving things. I do like to give things, but I guess better than getting most of the time. It's just the nature of my soul. But you know, I'd rather, you know, the time that you spend with your family should be more cherished than a video game or a new recipe book or a pad of paper. all those things that just clutter up a home. So usually my brother from Oklahoma comes up around usually comes up around. Usually it's the weekend after Thanksgiving is when we have our celebration. I think he's actually coming up tonight and staying through the weekend though, so that'd be good to have some extended time seeing him. We like to chit chat about the old motorcycles.
Yep. Yep.
Mm-hmm. And other fine things. Yeah, that's really about all I really had. I just want to kind of share my day as far as what happens for me around the holiday season. I'm on 4-day work weeks for the rest of the year, so that's very good. I like 4-day work weeks. And so I'm hoping I can, I don't think I can be able to put content out on any of those days, considering 2 of them are holidays, and the 3rd one, I'm taking Dad out to see the new Star Wars movie, Nerds Unite. And, you know, I won't be able to get much recording done, but I'm hoping I can get some planning done, which, you know, I'll kind of talk about a little bit of that planning on my next episode here in a few minutes, or a few minutes next week, I guess. So, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I hope you have a good holiday season. Happy Hanukkah, Ramadan, Christmas, whatever you're celebrating. I hope you have a good one with your friends and family, and I will catch you guys on the dark side in the new year. Chopper Fit seeing ya. Howdy, howdy, howdy.